Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K. Welcome everyone. Today I have a very impressive design team package to share with you guys from AngeldreamCraftsKim on Etsy. And Angel Dream Crafts is a beautiful store that sells laces and trims, bling, appliques, doilies, embellishments, some handmade items that Kim makes. And I'm very excited to be on her design team. And again, like I said, I have this gorgeous design team package that I just can't wait to share with you guys for this month. And I have some laces and trims, an applique, and some different embellishments to share with you guys. So I will start off with the laces and trims and appliques, and then we'll get into this fun little basket or bowl of embellishments that she sent. And I have to show you guys this first. Isn't this exquisite, this applique? How beautiful is that? It's pink and it has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's like the perfect shabby pink, I think. And you could definitely use it as is. You could kind of frame out an image with this, or you could cut up the little pieces. What I love about this one is that it has several layers to it. So like this flower has 3 layers to it, and this one's 2. So very exquisite and elegant looking. If you're looking for something that's stunning, this is definitely a beautiful applique. And then the other pink item that I got is this gorgeous braid trim that Kim has in her shop. This one's pink and it matches that applique beautifully. And then this is also a very fun trim. This one is kind of a tulle trim with some polka dots on it, and it's gathered. So you can easily make flowers out of this one, or edge an image and kind of make it poofy around the outside. Last month, if you watched my design team projects, I did have a purple tulle trim that I made like a little medallion, circle medallion, and I added some paper in the middle, and it was a fun kind of a way to edge something out. But a very, very fun trim. And I think this is a popular one in her store along with everything else. So now to dig into the beautiful laces that I received in my design team package. Kim does sell some gorgeous, gorgeous trims, that's for sure. I do love that she has so many laces to choose from, and also so many dangles and exquisite lace like this one. How pretty is that one? So pretty. This one would definitely be a beautiful layering piece onto any sort of fabric and lace project, or at the bottom of a journal page. You could sew it down the sides and across the bottom, and it would make a gorgeous pocket. I think all of these laces would make beautiful pockets on journals, or you could add them to a doily book or a fabric and lace book. Here's another beautiful trim. This one would be fun to actually cut up and use the little snippets on this one. You could just cut it up right there, and then you have this beautiful little dangle piece to add to things. And then you could still use the top piece also. So that one is a very versatile trim. So pretty on that one. Another one of my favorites is this one. This one's very nice quality lace. I love that one. And it's a little bit slightly off-white, but it's not too, because this one's pretty white. But it's still a very nice neutral color. This one you could definitely cut up to just the little pieces and use that on a journal also, or as a little embellishment, or a layering piece. So many options. Then here's a little bit more sheer embroidered one. These ones are fun also to use on pockets in journals. And then what I would do is just slightly trim this off, and then I would sew down the side and along the bottom and make that into a pocket. But this one would also look nice if you gather it up at the top, and you can make a really pretty large flower out of this one. Or you could gather it and use it on the bottom of a fabric and lace book. Or you could make a flower out of this one too. That would be a nice base on a flower. Very pretty. And then the last angle trim, this one's a really fun one. Look at that one with all the flowers. It has a nice flower top and then beautiful dangles going down it. And then you could also add in little pearls on the centers of these flowers. And you could definitely cut this one up and just use the little snippets on it or the small flowers on things. So another very versatile trim. Very pretty. I love that one. And now to get into some of the fun little embellishments and other items that Kim carries in her store. And I'll start off with, I love that she carries the kilt pins. These are so fun to use. And what I like to do with these ones is I like to take a strip of fabric and hang it off of the kilt pin and then decorate it with different laces and trims. And so I'll probably be doing that for a design team project because these are so fun to use. And you'd hang the fabric off of this side so then you can hook it into something. I've made these before, and I made one for a friend and she actually wears it, and it was a fabric and lace, you know, like I had decorated something off of it with like a vintage image, and she wears it as a pin on her jacket. So a lot of times though, I'll hook them onto little bags or on packages when I gift them to people once they're decorated. So those are really fun to work with. And let's see, oh, she sent me some really cute buttons. She carries a lot of really fun buttons. Last month I received some postage stamp buttons that were kind of in a Paris or travel theme. And it looks like these ones are kind of a shabby chic theme. And you get quite a few in a package. And they have little flowers on them. Very charming. Look at that. Very pretty. Love those. Those are really cute. And let's see. Another item that I love getting in my design team packages, and I've actually purchased a few from Kim's shop in the past also, are of her little glass cabochons. I just adore these. And she always gets in such fun ones. There's fairies, and these ones are the little roses. In the past, I've gotten some vintage women ones. But these are such fun things to use as embellishments on projects, and you can definitely add these as centers of flowers if you're into flower making. Those are really pretty. I love those. Very shabby and a little bit vintage also. And in this package, it looks like I got some bling. Kim does carry some wonderful bling in her store, and I have not gotten these ones, and these ones are so pretty, so I'm really excited. They're little hearts with the rhinestones on them, and I think these ones would look really pretty with this lace right here. Very exquisite and elegant. So pretty. And then it looks like another package of some wood buttons. And these would be fun embellishments on journals or little snippets. And these ones have a sewing theme on them. So if you're into making projects with a sewing theme, it looks like you get like a thimble and a spool and a measuring tape, a sewing machine, some scissors, and a little iron. So those are really cute. So yeah, those would be really fun on little snippets with a sewing theme. So if you're making a journal or putting it on a cover of a project, really fun. And then it looks like my last two sets here are some charms. I know last month I shared with you guys some really cute bird ones that she had in her shop, and this month she sent me some more sewing themed ones. Oh, these are really pretty. Add these to some tassels or a purse charm if you're making something for somebody who likes to sew. So this one says, I love sewing, and there's a cute little button, another little spool of thread, a measuring tape, and then the gorgeous sewing machine one. Those are definitely adorable. And then the last package, I saw these in her shop a while back, and so I'm kind of happy that she sent these to me. These are like a tea-themed charms, And down the road, I am really wanting to make an Alice in Wonderland journal. And so these would be so fun for that, to make some sort of charm or embellishments with these. There's a little teapot, and then the little coffee cups. And then I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on camera, but in the inside, they're little hearts on the insides of the little teacups. Or coffee cups, I guess. Teacups, I think, if you're doing a tea themed. And then kind of the nice little vintage looking teapot. Isn't that cute? And then the tea bags. Those are really, really fun. So thank you so much, Kim, for those. So again, I wanted to thank everybody so much for watching today. I do hope you come back and check out future videos where I will be creating with these beautiful laces and trims and embellishments that I received from AngeldreamCraftsKim on Etsy. And I also think earlier I forgot to mention that if you are in the US and you order from her store and you spend $35 or more, she does offer you free shipping, which I think is a great deal. It's so easy to spend $35 in her store. So, again, open up that description box so you can find the links to her store and other social media sites, and also the other ladies who are on the design team. And hopefully I will see you back later this month for 2 projects that I will be creating using these beautiful items. So until then, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.